Hey guys, welcome back. When you're done with the tutorial, it's going to look just like this and it's going to score very well. Okay, so we're going to be using, doing Space Invaders, we're going to be using stable baselines. You guys got to install very little for this. If you guys want more reinforcement learning and more in depth, check out my taxi video and my frozen lake, where there's a lot more training. It's not custom. You do it yourself with the Q table. And then check out Frozen Lake where you do the same thing, but you turn it into a movie if you want. Okay, guys? So also check out my reinforcement playlist because I also got reinforcement learning for trading. Okay, guys? And also check out my SageMaker playlist, which includes ML Ops and nearly every SageMaker model. Check out my GCP playlist, check out my Azure playlist, and check out my biggest playlist where it's got everything from basic machine learning and it has some reinforcement learning in there as well, including everything on the other playlist. Also, check out the same playlist where I have everything, including web scraping and natural entity extraction. So, anyways, guys, I've even got a neural translation machine, English to Russian and English to Spanish as well. So, anyways, guys, check out those playlists, Streamlit playlist as well. If you guys are here for something, there's something else you guys need. Also, guys, be advised, my reinforcement learning playlist, I've got them where I visualize the whole action of the RL agent. Reinforcement learning is a program within a program, the RL agent being a program within a program where he's in his environment and we penalize and we reward him. There's different methods to train him. There's a Q table, there's CNN, which we're going to use. Convolutional neural networks, by the way, are used for time series and image classification. By the way, speaking of which, I've got plenty of that. Custom, too. This is not custom. So, guys, be advised. My playlist has custom and it has pre-installed stuff. I've got everything on my channel. Check out my channel page too if you guys don't want to go through the playlists. So you install this right here, Stablebaselines. I've got other ones on my reinforcement learning playlist where we use Stablebaselines too to train. Okay, import this right here just as you see it. Make the Atari environment. Remember, guys, if you guys want to look up documentation and add games right here, you guys would pass it right here. Leave this alone, and you guys would switch that up. Okay, and then the CNN policy is what we're going to use, and it's going to score high. You want to use that parameter right there as well. Okay, he's doing pretty good. Okay, save Space Invaders download. And the train model, what we named up here. Okay, make Atari environment, same thing. Model set the environment. Save the train model. And here we go to visualization. Environment reset, environment render, RGB array. We got to do in the negatives because he's on that index. On my other ones, they're in the positive. It's just this Atari, these Ataris only seem to be in the negative index. That's why. Action equals environment action sample. In fact, guys, if you guys don't want to believe me, I'll do it right now. You see, because if I put a positive number, since the episodes is not defined, I got to catch them in clips. The problem is, you see? You see, guys? Okay, now we're going to try another number and get them. Watch this. Okay, we got them in another place. Okay, total epochs, total penalties, 1-1, episodes 1,000. For in range of episodes, state equals environment reset epochs penalties a reward. There we go. We put that right there. If you guys want to have less episodes and watch them train, let's do that right now. Let's do 100 episodes. If you guys want to switch these up to see how he does, that's fine too. Watch, we're going to do 100 episodes. You see? The decimal point was further back for time steps and penalty when we did 1,000 episodes. Now, let's watch him perform even worse. Remember, guys, he's in his environment. He's already trained, but he's bound to make more mistakes if there's less episodes. So if we put it at 10,000, which would take too long to run, he would score even better. Through the penalty and reward system. Now, guys, just to be advised, reinforcement learning gets into all kinds of stuff. Markov models, we get into Q learning, which I do a lot of on my channel. Now, guys, remember, you need a Q table for Q learning. And in my opinion, Markov models are better in some ways because all things want to go to a state of rest. Now, we can't quite go into a state of rest, as you see in my taxi video, if you reward him too much. Now, I've seen, I've had instances where he did not, where you would think rewarding him would be a disservice, but rewarding him actually was beneficial. And where I penalized him too much, a very few times, he actually did very bad. The RL agent I'm speaking of. So guys, it's all about trial and error in theory. Because most of the time, when you reward him too much, he gets lazy. And guys, just be advised, if you're here on my channel for something, there's something else you guys know. That there's a lot on my channel. And so I would feel free to share and feel free to, check it out. And also, guys, I would really appreciate it if you guys took care of well, to be honest, I would really appreciate it if you guys commented and left me, just tell me what you guys want to see more of. If you guys haven't seen it on my channel already, that would really help me out. I get that from time to time, and I usually follow through with it. So if you guys could please leave a comment telling me what you want to see, or just leave a comment and tell me how you liked it. Tell me what I could have worked on. Every bit helps. Now, guys, I'm going to be taking a break for a little while, and I'm going to come back. Don't worry, guys. You guys will see some more new stuff. I've been pondering some new stuff. Although, guys, I've got over 160 videos. Feel free to check it out. Thank you. Bye. Till next time.